Guys, so we're at Bathley level crossing in Nottinghamshire. We're joining the level crossing channel. There we go, that's quite bangy. Right, time is 12:55 on Sunday the 14th of August 2016. This is for our 12:57, 1 hour 29 Virgin train service from Leeds to King's Cross. North Muscombe's down too. Another one of these full of water. Dirty, horrible. Look. This barrier's in quite a state. Look at that. There's Spike over there. Mum's bought us again. My mum has, anyway. See if we can see it. Not yet. Because I don't want to miss the number on it again. Yeah, we have. Let's see if I can get this quick enough. H2209 H2209 91 112 to King's Cross, and we're staying. For our 12:58 1 Delta 91 Grand Central service from King's Cross to Bradford interchange. Here she comes. 180, it's blank. 180, 107 to Bradford interchange, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you next video.